Hi everyone! Today we're going to look at the Glossybox for December. I know this is very late as it's now January 1st, but I thought it was an ideal box for the new year with this gorgeous tin can showing the moon, and in the back the moon's faces and also snowflakes. Beautiful, just a gorgeous, perfect way to show the time when we move forward from the winter solstice. So let's see what's inside of it. As always, impeccably packaged. I love the way Glossybox packs their boxes. Okay, so the edit is called Moonlight Glow. How lovely. I chose to coordinate my hair and makeup to the idea of a moonlight blue sky, absolutely based on this beautiful box. So pretty. This is their final box of the year, so it's a little bit celebratory in that it has more products than the usual 5 products that come in the Glossybox. Glossybox has several tiers on the same box where you can pay every month for 3 months, or you can pay all 3 months at once, or you can pay, I think it's like you either pay for a whole year at once, or you commit to a 12 months where you pay every month. So this is Glossybox, I think US, but I think this product came straight from the UK. So I love receiving their boxes because most of the products are European and products that I had never seen before. So super excited about it. So let's look at what's in the box. Usually they send a few coupons, $100 wine, and I actually have tried that wine. My husband absolutely loved it. It is some sort of membership that you are part of a community of donors or angel investors. We enjoy that. 16 free meals from HelloFresh. They seem to have an association with them because I always get those. Geico coupon and Pepper, bras that finally fit and flatter small chests. Well, I need the opposite of that. The box, of course, gorgeously packaged. Here, I'm just gonna give you a quick peek. Ooh, it's a blender brush. It is much puffier on top than your regular brushes. I don't have one here to compare, but you can see it's quite full. The handle has texture, it's texturized, so it won't slip off your hands. So I think that's pretty cool. And then of course you have the super fluffy top right there, and you would blend whatever darks you have right here at the fold of your eye, you would blend it all the way up to the eyebrow, and that's how you blend your makeup using a blender brush. Gently sweep across your eyelids to blend your favorite shadows together. It's a full size LaRucci Bilty, I don't know. Tapered blending LR120. Create a soft diffuse contour with this blending brush made with super soft polyflex fibers. The studded handle makes it easy to grip, so you will have a steady hand to create any eye look you're going for. It is $28. I do appreciate they're calling it studded, but it's just ridged and it's perfect so it won't fall off and you have super control of it. Oh, right off the top. The second one, apply without or after foundation to your cheekbones, collarbones, and right beneath the brows. Wow, it is the LASplash Cosmetics Moonlight Glow 4 Shades Face Palette. It's gorgeous, of course, very thematic with the moon and stars. Here's what the palette looks like. The 4 shades, so there are 2 blushes, 1 bronzer, and 1 highlight. The blush is a beautiful, almost terracotta orange red. So pretty. Then a blushing Luna. The bronze goddess would be your bronzer right there. And the ethereal highlight which I already have a highlight on. Mine is more white because I wanted to emphasize the gray in my hair, but this would look beautiful on any skin tone. So pretty. There's lots of pigment on the red blush. Moonlight Glow Palette. Give your face some lunar love and get a real moonlight glow. These 4 colors are exactly what you need to top off any look, whether you want a subtle glow or steal the spotlight. Your beauty will dazzle any room you walk in. Oh, Batiste, my favorite dry hair shampoo. This time they sent 2. I think they just tried to be a little bit more generous this time around on this box, as it was their closing of the year. The tin is just lovely. I'm definitely keeping that, maybe for my contact lenses or for some special trinkets. The Batiste dry hair shampoo is my favorite. It is, of all the shampoos, I've tried many, the one that I appreciate the scent the most. The one that I use is the volumizing. Like today I did not use it and I feel like my hair is super flat right here. So let's try just a little bit. What my trick is, because I do have a deeper part on my hair because I want all the gray to show, I need an extra volume right here. I use dry shampoo to give that volume instead of, oh, I love the smell of it. It just smells fresh. Instead of cleaning my hair, well, of course you can use it for that too, but I just like the volume it gives right there. See? There you go. Perfect. Shake hand well and hold 12 inches away from the roots. And it says 1 for you and 1 for a friend. How cute, since they sent 2. Spray into roots, massage in, and brush through. I don't do that. I just leave it on because I like it to be puffy. And these are handy because they are travel size. So if you're still traveling or were traveling during the month, it would have been perfect. Don't like washing your hair every day? No problem. This dry shampoo provides an instant refresh, leaving your hair looking and feeling and smelling fresh and clean. So your style lasts longer between washes. The mini bottle is perfect for touch-ups and on the go throughout the day. So each one of these is $3.99 and you can purchase it at Ulta.com. They actually have now added the place where you can get the products directly, which is kind of nice. The LASplash Cosmetics can be bought at LASplashCosmetics.com, and that was $34. The next item is very odd. I have received drinks from them before. This time we're getting tea. I love tea. I drink tea every day, especially chamomile tea, as it helps my tummy. I got a turmeric ginger, turmeric chamomile, lemon ginger. Funny thing is, I have an allergy to ginger or a food sensitivity. I still love the flavor of it and I love the tea, but it upsets my stomach. It does exactly the opposite of what what ginger is supposed to do. But I will definitely try these. That sounds super yummy. Top tip, add 1 tea bag and 7 ounces of hot water to a cup, steep for 2 to 3 minutes and enjoy. These teas are just what you need this winter to keep warm and stay healthy, sourced directly from over 150 renowned plantations and small individual farms in India. One of these bags would be $1, or you can buy 30 for $12, $11.99 from VahdamTeas.com. I'll put those links below. Then the next product is, of course, Elemis Superfood. I have received this product before. It's called a Glow Priming Moisturizer. So you would use it as a moisturizer. It has kombucha in it. It would make your skin glow from underneath your makeup, which is kind of nice. And especially thematic, since they're going with all this lunar, moon, astral theme. So the moonlight glow. This would give you a moonlight glow. The Elemis Superfood Glow is $22 for this tiny little container, and you can purchase it at Look Fantastic, which is a sister company for Glossybox. Use as a daily moisturizer, a hydrating makeup primer, or to enhance skin's natural luminosity. Nice. I want to try that. Now the very last item is actually a surprise item. I don't know how many types of surprise items they had, but that's what they had right here. So the mystery product would be surprise glossies. To make this month's box a little more fun and special, we've included a surprise mystery product to the Moonlight Glow collection. We hope you love it and can't wait to see and hear what you think about it. And let's see what that is. Here we go. So it is the new Reflection Complexion Perfecting Polish. So I'm thinking it's some sort of exfoliator. Buff your way to a refined and radiant complexion with this revolutionary and luxuriously whipped facial polish. My skin feels super soft, you guys. That enhances skin's health and beauty long after you rinse. Nice. So somehow you can put it on, you're gonna wash it off, leave it for 5 minutes, then rinse with warm water, and whatever ingredients are in there are going to be working just from the 5 minutes that it took for it to soak in. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at how pretty this container is. Just everything's so coordinated. Like I said, it makes me so happy to see these gorgeous products. So pretty. Look at that container. It's just so lovely. Ooh, super happy. The new Reflection. So it's some sort of a polish or exfoliator. Has the little cap. Oh, smells like clay, but and it looks like clay. Let's see. Look at that. It feels like clay too. And yes, it has like the consistency of clay with fine, sandy, but super thin, sandy particles in it. So you would apply it. There is a little bit more fragrance when you actually rub it. You might be breaking and bursting some fragrant bubbles. Smell much stronger when you put it on. Leave it on. Rinse it 5 minutes later, and you are both nourishing the skin and polishing off your dead skin cells. So, super fun. I hope you enjoyed this box. It is just absolutely a gorgeous, well curated box. I had lots of fun opening it up. I can't wait to use all the products, and I hope you guys have a fantastic new year. It's not my year anniversary yet, but it is a new year for all of us, and I wish that the spheres, the moon, and the universe give you what you hope for, everything what you need. And just know that if this is a trying time in your life, it is the universe building you up to be a stronger, more purposeful human being. So there is a bigger plan out there. I don't know what it is. I don't know how it is, but I'm thankful that you're here to share these moments with me. I wish you the best new year and many blessings. Bye.